Welcome to Shinop's Top 5 Most Useful Best Android Apps. These are the top 5 best Android apps that are so very friendly user interface and all of them looks so simple but terrible and very powerful. Now let's go to number 5. DNS Changer. DNS Changer is the easiest way to change your DNS and test the speed of DNS servers. Works without root and works for both Wi-Fi and mobile network data connection. Okay, we know that we have a good internet connection and good internet speed. But we notice that any time we open a web browser or play online games, it's obviously too slow. Why? Okay, it's time to learn and fix this issue. It's because of our internet service provider, ISP, normally use a single default DNS server until the server becomes overloaded with users. It means that the internet traffic flow on this line is going to get slower. Just like an old long road with a full of vehicles. Then this is a solution. Change your default DNS server in just 3 easy simple steps. 1. Install DNS Changer. 2. Test the speed of all domain name system servers. 3. Select the fastest one. And enjoy the blissful speed of web browsing and playing online games. Main features. Faster than a regular VPN. Secured on public Wi-Fi. Best net browsing performance. Better online gaming experience. Easy one tap to connect. No registration, login or password required. By optimizing your device DNS, you can find the fastest routes for your data packets to take when traveling the internet. Result: it will boost and noticeable improvement in web browsing time. With DNS Changer, you can find the fastest DNS server and connect to it with just one touch. Now let's move on to number 4. Cube ACR Call Recorder. Cube ACR Call Recorder will automatically and easily record your incoming and outgoing phone calls. And it also automatically record incoming or outgoing VoIP conversations from Messenger, Skype, Instagram, Zoom, WhatsApp, Viber and many other more. Cube ACR Call Recorder is the most technically advanced call recorder. Supports call recording for most versions of Android devices. If you have already tried to record calls using other applications for recording calls and did not get a satisfactory result, try Cube ACR Call Recorder. Cause Cube ACR is just works the best. Now let's move on to number 3. Once Crook Catcher installed on your smartphone or tablet, Crook Catcher hides behind the lock screen, and if someone tries to unlock the phone with the wrong code or password, it will automatically takes a photo of the person with the front camera. So if your phone was stolen, you may have a chance to get it back. Cause Crook Catcher instantly emails you the photo of the thief, along with your device current GPS location. Features. 1. Take photos with a secret camera when someone tries to unlock the phone with the wrong code. 2. Send email with photos, GPS coordinates, accuracy. 3. Works with password, PIN code and pattern lock. 4. Combined map and photo view to browse images within the app. 5. Of course, it's completely silent and secret. Turn off notifications in settings. 6. No battery drain. Crook Catcher only works when wrong code is entered. 7. Select the number of unlock attempts before the photo is taken. 8. Editable GPS settings, timeout and desired accuracy. 9. Detect SIM card change. 10. Detect intrusion. If someone gets caught by Crook Catcher but then manages to unlock the phone, Crook Catcher takes another photo. 11. Retry email. If phone is offline when taking photos, please resend emails until back online. 12. Edit the email subject. 13. Hide notifications of new images until the phone is unlocked. 14. Warning message. Display a custom warning message on the lock screen when Crook Catcher has caught the thief. Now let's move on to number 2. Google Find My Device Android app. Google Find My Device is part of Google Play Protect. It means it's a trusted Android app. Is the best Android app phone locator. You can use this app to find, ring, lock and erase any lost Android device. Find My Device helps you locate your lost Android and lock it until you get it back. Features. 1. See your phone or tablet on a map. If current location isn't available, you'll see the last known location. 2. Use indoor maps to help you to find your device in airports, shopping centers, or other large buildings. 3. Play a sound at full volume, even if your device is on silent mode. 4. Erase the device or lock it with a custom message and contact number on lock screen. 5. See network and battery status and etc. Now let's move on to the last and the most powerful Android app. Number 1. TrackView. TrackView is designed for family safety applications. It turns your smartphones and tablets into a connected IP camera with GPS locator. Main features. 1. Family locator and GPS finder. 2. Motion and sound detection for baby monitor. 3. Remote control of front and rear camera switch. 4. IP camera for home security. 5. Remote audio and video recording. 6. Root recording for location history. 7. Remote buzz that rings a missing device, even if it's in silent mode. 8. Night vision mode for flashlight that helps you see in the dark. 9. Universal accessibility. Access any of your devices from anywhere in the world. If you want to watch a full video tutorial from this Android app, tap on a drop-down button below and click on the link. If you find my video useful, make sure to click on like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below.